Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ridho Robiansyah. I'm going to tell you about tenses. There are 5 tenses I will explain. The first is simple present tense. Second is simple future tense. Third is simple past tense. Fourth is present continuous tense. 5 is present perfect tense. I will begin by simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense is a form of tense that you use to express event that usually carried out in the present. Okay, simple present tense artinya tenses yang biasa digunakan untuk mengekspresikan sesuatu yang biasa terjadi pada masa kini. For formulative is subject, verb 1, SES, and complement. Okay, for example, positive example, he likes bananas. Subjeknya adalah he, verb 1 yaitu like ditambah es jadi likes, dibaca likes, dan juga pelengkapnya adalah bananas yang artinya dia suka pisang. Okay, in negative example is he doesn't like bananas. Okay, kenapa di negatif tidak menggunakan es? Karena di doesn't sudah menggunakan es. Doesn't, do es, not, gitu. For interrogative is does he like bananas? Does he like bananas? Yang artinya apakah dia suka pisang? Okay, next is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is a form of tense that you can use to express an action in the present. Yang artinya simple present tense, present continuous tense biasa digunakan untuk menyampaikan sesuatu yang sedang kita lakukan atau kita laksanakan saat ini. Okay, the formulative is subject be, are, is plus verb 1 plus ing and complement. For negative formulative is subject plus be, are, is plus not plus verb 1 plus ing plus complement. For interrogative is be, are, is plus subject plus verb plus ing plus complement. For positive example is I am watching movie right now. Subjeknya adalah I, be-nya adalah am, verb 1 is watch plus ing jadi watching, komplementnya adalah movie right now. Jadi ya, artinya saya sedang menonton movie saat ini. In negative is I am not watching movie right now. Subjeknya adalah I, be-nya adalah am, ditambah not, jadi I am not, ditambah verb 1 watch, tambah ing, I am not watching, ditambah komplementnya adalah movie right now. Jadi artinya aku tidak menonton movie sekarang. Aku tidak menonton movie saat ini. Okay. For interrogative, kalimatnya Seperti are you watching movie right now? Jadi be-nya di awal pakai are. Are you watching movie right now? Artinya, apakah kamu menonton movie sekarang? Apakah sekarang kamu menonton movie? Gitu. Okay, next is a present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is a sentence pattern with a change in verb form that is used to express a past events that are still continuing today. Jadi present perfect tense itu suatu kalimat, pola kalimat yang memiliki perubahan di katanya, di dalam katanya, dan untuk mengekspresikan suatu kejadian yang terjadi di masa lampau dan masih terjadi sampai saat ini. Okay, the formulative is subject plus have or has plus been plus complement. For negative formulative is subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus complement. And in interrogative formula is have or has plus subject plus been plus complement. Okay, for example is positive example is you have been a creative writer since 2018. Jadi subjeknya adalah you, ditambah have or has, you have, ditambah been, ditambah complement. Complementnya adalah creative writing since 2018. Sorry. Okay, in negative sentence is we have not been hungry. We have not been hungry. Subjeknya adalah we, ditambah have or has, we have, ditambah have berarti, ditambah not, we have not, tambah been dan hungry. Komplementnya hungry. Jadi we have not been hungry, artinya kita belum lapar saat ini, atau kita tidak lapar saat ini. For example sentence in interrogative is has he been very busy this week? Has he been very busy this week? Jadi di interrogatif seperti yang lainnya menggunakan has atau kata tanya di awal dan di akhir menggunakan tanda tanya. Jadi tidak subjek dulu di awal. Next is simple future tense. Simple future tense is a form of tense to indicate an event that has not yet started and will only occur in the future. Jadi simple future tense ini tenses yang dimana menerangkan untuk menyampaikan sesuatu yang tidak pernah terjadi dan hanya akan terjadi yang akan terjadi di masa depan. For the formula, positive formula is subject plus will or shall plus verb 1 plus object. And in the negative formula is subject plus will or shall plus not plus verb 1 plus object. And in interrogative formula is will or shall plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, in positive sentence is I will be a teacher. In negative sentence is we shall not stay here. We shall not stay here. In interrogative sentence is shall we go to Lombok next week? Shall we go to Lombok next week? Is the last but not least is simple past tense. Simple past tense is a sentence that used to tell story about event that happened in the past and finish in the past too, or end in the past too. Jadi simple past tense ini adalah suatu pola kalimat untuk menyampaikan sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lampau dan berakhir juga di masa lampau. The formulative is subject plus to be plus or were plus complement. In negative, formulative is subject plus was or were plus not plus complement. In interrogative formula is to be was or were plus subject plus complement. For example is I was a teacher. I was a teacher. Artinya saya dulu seorang guru. In negative sentence is I was not fat. Jadi artinya dulu saya tidak gemuk. In interrogative sentence is was he so busy? Was he so busy? Jadi to be-nya adalah was, menggunakan was. Subjeknya adalah she, dia, perempuan. So busy adalah komplementnya. Jadi artinya apakah dulu dia sangat sibuk? And finally, I'd like to say thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.